The 238 portable monitor. Unlocking endless productivity in any setting. Imagine being able to work, edit, and create in any environment without being tethered to a desk. That's exactly what the 238 portable monitor offers. A game-changing device that lets you take your productivity on the go. This monitor is designed with one thing in mind, giving you more space to focus, create, and get things done. With an impressive 23.8-inch screen, it delivers 18% more visible area than a standard 21.5-inch display, making it perfect for dual-screen setups, compact workspaces, or even hybrid home offices. But what really sets the 238 portable monitor apart is its stunning 4K true color immersion. This means you get lifelike visuals with precise color accuracy and consistency from deep blacks to vivid highlights. Whether you're gaming in expansive virtual worlds or editing high-resolution photos, every detail comes to life, pulling you into the heart of your content. One of the most impressive things about this monitor is its color accuracy. With 100% sRGB true color anywhere, it reproduces colors with stunning fidelity, covering a wide spectrum of tones for accurate, vibrant visuals. This means you can trust what you're seeing, whether you're working on documents, streaming videos, or editing photos. But color accuracy isn't the only thing that matters. The 238 portable monitor also delivers rich details and sharp contrasts in various lighting environments, thanks to its 300 candelas per square meter brightness and 1300:1 contrast ratio. This means you can enjoy clear, vivid visuals even in well-lit spaces, perfect for anyone who works or creates in bright environments. And let's not forget about the stand and mountability of this monitor. With a built-in adjustable stand, you can find your perfect viewing angle or mount it on a wall or arm using its 100 by 100 mm VESA compatibility. This means you can take the 238 portable monitor with you wherever you go, making it perfect for remote work, travel, or even just a day at the office. But what really makes this monitor stand out is its ability to deliver clear audio through its built-in speakers. With dual 8Ω/1W box speakers, you'll get crystal clear sound for movies, meetings, and games, all while keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. So how does it perform? In short, the 238 portable monitor delivers on everything it promises. Whether you're a gamer, editor, or simply someone who wants to boost their productivity, this monitor is a game-changer. And with its portable design, affordable price point, and impressive specs, it's an investment that'll pay dividends for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to check out the 238 portable monitor for yourself and unlock endless possibilities in any setting.